In this video, we will learn how to make a connection between a domain to a database. So in my organizer, I have here a category called database. So I can insert a database either in a new file or in my current project. So this database connection, I need to set the property. So in database, I have three types. One is access, second one is Oracle, third one is SQL Server. If you wanted to make a small application with small database only for testing purpose, I recommend to use access. So here, MDB file, you can just select your current folder and you can make a name, like for example, database access, just like this. But if you want to open this file later with access, you would better to write extension MDB. Then with this extension, you will be able to open it with access. So you don't need to write password if you don't want anyone. Then here you can set password if you want, if the DB have password or not. And here you can just set the user and password if you need to. In my case, I just want to create a simple file with no any special security. So a test connection. The connection with Access database is successful. So it means that here, if I press here, I have my database access. And because I write point like .mdb here, I can open the file because the file is recognized by Windows. So this is the first connection. Now my file is connected. So I will call this access connection. So if I want to make a new kind, here, if I want to connect, for example, I want to connect to the SQL server, here I just have to write down my server. So here, my server is Julian PC. This is a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So this studio is connected to my database server, and the server is Julian PC. And here I have one database, is E3. So here I just have to write down Julian PC, database is E3. Then here I need to write down my system administrator password and just test the connection. And the connection is also successful. So I can also call this connection to SQL Server connection. So I just demonstrate how to connect your domain to two kinds of database. First one is access, second one is SQL connection. So in the property for access, you only have to specify the MDB file. Okay, then it's okay. For SQL Server connection, you have to specify the server, database, and here the SA, system administrator username and password. That is also okay. Then now the domain is connected successfully to database.